Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the keyboard backlight on your Mac, including how to turn it off completely or set it to adjust automatically. Let's get started. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in System Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Keyboard. Click on the keyboard option that appears. Here, you'll see a few settings related to your keyboard backlight. If you want your Mac to automatically adjust keyboard brightness in low light, make sure the toggle Adjust Keyboard Brightness in Low Light is turned on. To control the brightness manually, use the slider just below. Slide it to the left to dim or turn off the keyboard backlight completely. Slide it to the right to increase the brightness. Right below that, you'll also see an option to set how quickly the keyboard light turns off after inactivity. You can choose the time that works best for you. And that's it. That's how you manage your Mac's keyboard lighting in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with others, and consider subscribing to the channel for more quick Mac tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.